Unsa naman yung isa, uy. Para gunggoy. Hi! Ay na, nasalit ka sa tubig, uy. In here! Dali picture mo doon. Take a picture, Iris. Iris! Picture! Come on! Okay, take a picture, Chloe, there. In the water. Yay! It's okay, don't be scared. Alright, here.
It's early.
Take this. Paunsa pa din. Hi! Iris! Come on! Come on. Oh no. What did you make? What did you do?
It will stop sometime, like in a few minutes. It will come back.
Are you excited? Huh? Huh?
Stand on that black circle right there.
Why? It will turn on again?
Stand there for 10 seconds.
Stand in there until tomorrow.
Oh my gosh.
Aries, be careful with it.
Come on, go there. Stand there with them. Come on. Iris. Come on. Please. Go there.
See the sign behind you on the building?
Oh. Let me see.
Oh.
Is that coming on? Is it 6 o'clock now or not?